बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 9th, आज जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम आपकी इंग्लिश किताब का एक टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं, द टेम्पेस्ट सेकंड, और इसका आज हम सीन थर्ड पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। डायरेक्टली हम टॉपिक पर जाएंगे। नाउ दैट दे हैव सिंसियरली रिपेंटेड वी नीड नॉट टू पनिश देम फर्दर, सेड प्रॉस्पेरो टू एरियल। सब कि आपको मालूम है कि एरियल जब गंजालो या एंटोनियो या किंग ऑफ नेपल्स के पास गया था, तो दे वर वॉन्डरिंग अबाउट ऑन द आइलैंड एंड ही पुट some delicious food before them, and they were about to eat that food, and the food disappeared at once, and they were amazed, they were surprised, and Ariel once again appeared before them with thunder and lightning. They were feeling mad. They got frightened, and later on he told him how they have deceived Prospero, and how they put Prospero and his daughter in a damaged ship to Persia. And Ariel told them, who told Antonio and the king of Naples, that you are the two men guilty before God and men. You have deceived Prospero, and if you not feel sorry if you not repent sincerely, there are worse in store for you. You will be punished. And now Prospero told Ariel that he thought that they have repented, they have felt sorry for whatever they have did, they have repented sincerely, in a truthful way, in a very honest, मैंने ईमानदारी से उन्होंने तौबा किया है. We need not to punish them further, and they need not to punish them. अब हमें उनको और सज़ा देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Ariel led them to the place where Prospero was. Now after that, Ariel led Antonio and the party to that place, to that spot where Prospero was sitting. When they saw Prospero, when Antonio and his party, when they saw Prospero, जब उन्होंने Prospero को देखा, they were so amazed, they were so surprised, they were astonished, they were amused, that at first they could hardly believe, and they could hardly believe that he is alive. And they thought that he might have drowned in the sea with his daughter. But when they saw him alive, when they saw him with their naked eyes, they were so surprised. When they saw Prospero, they were so amazed that at first they could hardly believe. The king agreed to restore the dukedom to Prospero. And the king, means his brother Antonio, he was agreed later on to hand over the dukedom, the kingdom. Dukedom means kingdom, the whole kingdom to Prospero, and Prospero on his part forgave the king all that was past. So and Prospero gave pardon to him. उसने उसको माफ़ कर दिया. He gave forgive जो है forgive से निकला है, forgive माफ़ करना. He forgive the king. उसने Antonio अपने भाई को माफ़ कर दिया, about the past, what has happened in the past, about all that he has forgiven him. And the king told Prospero how they had been shipwrecked, and the king means the Antonio and the king of Naples, and they told the Prospero that their ship has been destructed due to heavy storm in the sea, and how and they have lost the Ferdinand, the son of Antonio. They have lost it in that storm. उन्होंने अपने एक लड़के को भी खोया है, उसका नाम है Ferdinand. His dear son, he is his dear son in the destruction, in the shipwreck, in the wreck. Wreck means destruction. तो आगे क्या होता है? I am very sorry to hear of your loss, said Prospero. Prospero, after listening that they have lost one young man, Ferdinand, this Ferdinand in the storm, he told them that he is feeling sorry for that. He is very sorry after listening this sad news. I lost my daughter too in the tempest. And Prospero told them that he had lost his daughter also in the tempest. मेरी भी एक बेटी थी, वो इस tempest में खो गई. In a sense, Prospero was speaking the truth because he had lost his daughter to Ferdinand. And in one sense, Prospero was telling them truth because he has given his daughter to Ferdinand as a reward. So he has lost his daughter in one sense. यानी एक तरफ से वो सही कह रहा था उनको कि मैंने भी अपनी बेटी को इस टेम्पेस्ट में खोया है, क्योंकि उसने अपनी बेटी को फर्डिनांड को हवाले किया था, उसको एज ए रिवार्ड दिया था, यानी अब वो उनकी उसके मतलब उसके साथ उसकी शादी करना चाहता था. लिहाजा उसने सही बोला कि मैंने भी अपनी बेटी को इस टेम्पेस्ट में खोया है. How I wish they were both alive, said the king. The king told the Prospero that he wished that they might both be alive. क्या मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो दोनों जिंदा होते, काश वो दोनों जिंदा होते. To be the king and queen of Naples, and we would made them the king. We would appoint them. We would jointly made them king and the queen of the Naples. हम उनको इस नेपल्स का बादशाह और रानी बनाते, बादशाह और बेगम बनाते. Prospero took the party into his cave and showed them Ferdinand and Miranda, who were happily playing chess. And later on, Prospero took the whole party, the king of Naples, the Antonio, Gonzalo, he took them to his cave. उसने उनको बाद में अपनी गुफे में, अपने गार में ले लिया. And he showed them the two young men who were they were joyfully playing the chess inside the cave. यानी उस जगह पर ले लिया जहाँ पर फर्डिनांड और मिरांडा चेस खेल रहे थे, वो खुशी खुशी चेस खेल रहे थे. Oh wonder, said Miranda when she saw so many people together. When Miranda saw so many people, when she saw his father, his uncle, old Lord Gonzalo, and the king of Naples, and the others, she was so amazed, she was so surprised, and at once she said, "Oh wonder, oh kitna ajeeb gareeb hai! How many so wonderful people are together? How many wonderful people there are here! और कितने अजीब गरीब लोग एक जगह जमा हुए हैं. How beautiful mankind is! How beautiful, how jubilant, how joyful mankind is! कितना इंसानियत कितनी अच्छी है. Gonzalo, the kind old man. The Gonzalo was that old lord who had helped Prospero at that time when the king of when Antonio put them in a damaged ship to perish along with his daughter. At that time, Gonzalo helped Prospero. He secretly stored the ship with fresh water and precious books, old these clothes, etc., food, etc. And Gonzalo was that man. And when Gonzalo saw his Miranda happily, Ferdinand, etc., who had helped Prospero, wept for joy. He wept for some time. वो रोने लगा उस वक्त पर to see this scene of reconciliation when he saw this both parties are reconciliating. This is when he saw the scene of reconciliation. यानी जब उसने सलाह के मतलब ये आपस में इन दोनों भाइयों की सलाह देखी तो वो बहुत रोने लगा. खुशी के आंसू उसके आंसू से निकल गए. रिकैंसिलेशन मीन्स एंडिंग ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, यानी लड़ाई का ख़त्म होना. दैट इज कॉल्ड रिकैंसिलेशन. सो Gonzalo Prospero broke his magic wand, and after that he broke his magic wand. broke जो है ब्रेक से निकला है. ब्रेक मीन्स तोड़ना, यानी उसने अपनी जो मैजिक वैंड थी, उसकी जादुई लाठी थी, ही ब्रोक दैट लैंड, उसने उसको तोड़ दिया. एंड बोरीड हिज बुक्स ऑफ मैजिक, और जो जादू की किताबें थी उसके ही बोरीड दिस बुक्स ऑल इनसाइड द अर्थ, ज़मीन के अंदर उनको दफन कर दिया उन किताबों को जो जादुई किताबें थे. बिकॉज ही हैड no further use of them, because he had no use of them. He need not use these books for further, because all what he wanted, he got that, and later on he decided to borrow these books, and he broke his magic wand. He set Ariel free, and after that he set Ariel free, because he has promised him that after the completion of this hard work, he would set him free. And later on he set his uh, he make the promise true. He set Ariel free as he had promised him. Ariel sang, and later on Ariel sing a song. What kind of song it was? It was, where the bees sucks, there suck I. In a cow sleeps, there I lie. There I cough when owls do cry. On that bat's back I do fly. After summer merrily, merrily, merrily shall I live now, under the blossom that hangs on the buff. Prospero and Porty sealed to Nicholas, and later on Prospero and the Porty, who were Gonzalo, Antonio, and the king of Naples, they sailed to Naples. वो Naples की तरफ चले गए, leaving Caliban in possession of the island, and they left the Caliban on that island. Ariel helped them with favorable winds, and Ariel rose some favorable winds in the sea. Uh, that was his last service to his master. That was the last service of Ariel to his master. So after that, they left the island, and they put the Caliban and Ariel in that on that island, and so this was the all about that play. I think you might have enjoyed the play. तो आपने शायद ये enjoy किया होगा कि आपने देख लिया कि असल में जो है बुराई का नतीजा बुराई होता है, लिहाजा हमें लालच नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी भी वक्त. वी शुड नॉट बी ग्रीडी, हमें मतलब लालची नहीं होना चाहिए. तो हमेशा सिंसियर रहिए, हमेशा दूसरों के साथ अच्छा सलूक कीजिए. तो क्योंकि अगर हम किसी के बारे में गलत सोचते हैं तो अल्लाह ताला हमारे खिलाफ पहले ही प्लान कर चुका होता है. लिहाजा हमें हर एक जो है किसी की तरक्की से जलना नहीं चाहिए, बल्कि कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि खुदा से दुआ करनी चाहिए कि हमें भी ये नसीब हो, हमें भी ये खुशी नसीब हो, हमें भी ये तरक्की नसीब हो. तो ग्रीडी नहीं होना चाहिए, लालची नहीं होना चाहिए. So I think this is the theme of this drama, the theme of this play. So my dear students, I think you all might have enjoyed the play, and this is all about that beautiful play. So here are some words. You can see the meaning of these words. You can see the meaning of these words. Thank you. Have a nice day.